our research concerns looking at what we call eco-emotions as the planetary boundaries. So eco-emotions, we define it as emotions that are significantly associated with the environment and anthropogenic changes happening in this environment. The reason for the scoping review is because research to date has overwhelmingly focused on Western countries, and specifically high-income populations, mostly in the Netherlands, the US, Australia, and New Zealand. And we know, obviously, that these populations are not representative of the global population. Most of them have only focused on climate change impacts, and even within climate change impacts, climate emotions, and specifically negative climate emotions. But we know that, first of all, the range of anthropogenic impacts are much wider than just climate change, as we know from the Planetary Boundaries framework. And that also, therefore, the emotional responses could potentially vary, right? We're doing this research based on different contexts and geographical regions and how the impacts are being felt across the world. So in response to that, we introduced this preliminary framework that conceptualizes these emotions according to the Planetary Boundaries framework to provide a more holistic conceptual framework for scientifically researching and categorizing these emotional responses.